celebrate the Day of Immunology 2026 together. Yes, the discovery of Tregs can lead to new medical treatments, and it already has. In autoimmune diseases and allergies, the immune response is misdirected and excessive. Tregs acts as the immune system's brakes. We can now harness them for therapy. For example, low-dose IL-2 expands Tregs, and the cell therapy, where a patient's own Tregs are expanded and reinfused, is already being tested in clinical trials. Moreover, CAR Tregs are being engineered to target specific tissues. In cancer, the situation is opposite. Tumors induce Treg activity to suppress immune responses, so now new therapies are aiming to block or reduce Tregs inside the tumor. To improve these treatments, we also need to better understand how Tregs are generated and activated. Our recent work reported that TSLP, a signal produced in the skin, can drive the generation of highly suppressive effector Tregs through a distinct subset of dendritic cells, both in inflammation and in cancer. Why does this keep us excited? Because it reviews mechanisms that we may target. In cancer, we may block this pathway to remove the tumor's protection, and in autoimmune disease or allergies, we may enhance it to increase tolerance. So, deeper insights into Treg biology will help us fine-tune the immune system and potentially open the door to new treatments.